Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto brightness on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, it's very simple. You go to Settings. In Settings, you scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Display and Brightness. You click on it and you scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Brightness. And as you can see, there is another option called True Tone. So to turn off auto brightness, you have just to turn off this True Tone. And right now, your iPhone will not change like his display based on ambient lighting condition. So it will be like only the color of it and only the brightness of it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like